Android is a mobile operating system based on the modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software, designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. It was written in Java, C, and C++, and its initial release was in 23rd September 2008, and it is available in more than 100 languages. Android Inc. was founded in Palo Alto, California in October 2003 by Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White. On November 5, 2007, the Open Handset Alliance, a consortium of technology companies including Google device manufacturers such as HTC, Motorola, and Samsung, wireless carriers such as Sprint and T-Mobile, and chipset makers such as Qualcomm, Texas Instruments, unveiled itself with a goal to develop the first truly open and comprehensive platform for mobile devices. Since 2008, Android has been numerous updates, which are incrementally improved the operating system, adding new features and fixing bugs in previous releases. Each major release was named in alphabetical order, after a desert or a sugary treat. Now let's talk about the features of this operating system. If you want to know what an operating system is in more detail, I've already made a video about that, so you can go ahead and check that out. First up's the interface. Android's default user interface is mainly based on the direct manipulation, using touch inputs that loosely correspond to the real-world actions like swiping, tapping, pinching, and reverse pinching to manipulate on-screen objects, along with the virtual keyboard. The second is the status bar. Status bar is located on the top of the screen, and you can pull it down or swipe down from the top to reveal a notification screen where apps display important updates. Many early Android OS smartphones were equipped with a dedicated search button for quick access to the web search engine and individual apps' internal search feature. Most recent devices typically allow the former through the long press or swipe away from the home button. Now let's talk about the versions. Now in the video I told that the versions were named after a dessert in alphabetical order. So the first version 2.3 was named gingerbread. 4 is the ice cream or the sandwich. 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3 were named as jelly bean. 4.4 was named Kit Kat. 5.0 and 5.1 were named lollipop. 6 was named as marshmallow. 7 and 7.1 was known as nougat. 8 and 8.1 were known as Oreo. 9 as pie. 10 is 10, 11 is 11, 12 and 12L was named as 12, and 13 was just, 13. Now you might be thinking, why the 10th version is named as 10? Well, names of pies and desserts and all that are limited. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe. It's free and it helps out a ton.